save settings on your Meitu app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on me down here. So when you just click here on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click on general here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do next, so just click here on settings here, just click on settings. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You come here to save settings, click in this sign here. So that like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean here save settings enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you know you are good. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.